As we draw close to Mother's Day, we need to remember that maternal mortality is still a pressing issue in India. But where and how do you get the exact figures on this problem? Here are 2 ways in which you can go about it. 1. You could visit rbi.org.in, hover over the Publications tab, select Annual from the drop-down, click on Handbook of Statistics on Indian States, select State-wise Maternal Mortality Ratio, and download the table in Excel or PDF format. After this, you can get down to compiling the numbers from the raw data in the report, collate and clean it. This process should take you a good few hours. The second option is that you could visit dataful.in, log in or create an account, search Maternal Mortality Ratio, click on the relevant dataset, check the dataset preview to see if it has the information you need. Here, you can see the period for which you are getting data, which is 1999 to 2023. Finally, download the dataset in your preferred format. So, what will it be? Hours of downloading reports, collating and cleaning raw data, or downloading a cleaned, ready-to-use dataset from Dataful? Subscribe to a Dataful plan today and get access to our vast collection of cleaned, ready-to-use datasets across sectors.